Now we are going to discuss how mind has been discussed in the form of Chit and Chetasik. Abhidhamma philosophy has divided all the Dhammas into two categories. They are the Nam and Rupa. Nam means the four immaterial aggregates and the Nibbana. For instance, Vedana Khand, Sanya Khand, Sankhar Khand, Bhyan Khand are the four immaterial aggregates. They are nothing but Chit and Chetasik. The first three aggregates are the Chetasikas, namely Vedana, Sanya, Sankhara. And last one is the Chit, that is called as consciousness. Nibbana has got another name known as Asankhat Dhatu. Now we are going to discuss the Chit. Chit or consciousness has been dealt with great importance in early Pali text. It is described as the first one of the four basic principles paramatha of the Abhidhamma. The other basic principles are Chetasik, Roop and Nibbana. Chit is derived from the root Chit, Chiti, which means to think. According to commentary, Chit is that which is aware of an object. Arammanam chinteti chittam vijanatiti yatho. The concept of the Chit, as may be traced in the Dhammapada belonging to the Khudak Nikaya of Sutta Pitaka, is somewhat popular. In that early Pali text, it has been said that Chit is flickering, fickle and difficult to control. Phandanam chapalam chittam durakham dunivarayam. It possesses the character of extremely subtle, lone and bodiless. It moves wherever it likes to move. Sudasanam supurnam jatha kamani patam. It is said that Chit is pure and luminous in nature, but it is defiled by inward arising defiling factors. Pabhasaram idam chittam tam chakho agantukehi upkilesi upkilitam. According to early Pali text, Chit is nothing but a stream of consciousness. It never exists for two moments. As with the extension of the one, another arises, and in this process, it continues to persist. In fact, consciousness plays such an important role in early Buddhist psychology. Originally, consciousness is one, it is self-illuminating and transparent. But with the contact of the object, it enters into the sphere of consciousness, and from that sphere actually begins its functions properly. In Abhidhammic tradition, the consciousness has been analyzed in many ways, like from the standpoint of Bhumij, from the standpoint of the Hetuj, from the standpoint of Bhumij. It has been divided into four, which are known as Kamavachar Chitta Bhumi, Rupavachar Chitta Bhumi, Arupavachar Chitta Bhumi, and Lokuttar Chitta Bhumi. The 89 types of consciousness may be grouped under these four heads according to the levels based on the morality and consequently on the spiritual attainments. Kamavachar Chit we are going to discuss, which are 54 in number. What is Kamavachar Chit? Kamavachar is composed of two words, Kam and Avachara. Kam is either sensual craving or sensuous objects, such as forms, sound, taste, contact. Kam also refers to the 11 different kinds of sentient existence. The four states of misery, apaya, human realm, manusya loka, and the six celestial realm, sagga. Avachara means that which moves about. Therefore, Kamavachara means that which moves about the sentient realms, or that which pertains to the senses and their corresponding objects. Kamavachar Chitta has been defined as below. Kame avacharati bahulena pavatati iti kamavacharam chittam. In this stage, chit is fickle and not steady. Therefore, it is said about the chit or consciousness of this bhumi as fandanam chapalam chittam or yatha kamani patinam. Kamavachara chitta has 54 types of consciousness which can be enumerated as below. Kamavachara Sobhan chitta, which are 24 in number, Kusal 8, Vipak 8, Kriya 8, total 24 types of Sobhana chitta. Then there are 18 types of Ahetuk chitta and there are 12 types of Akusala chitta, which has been classified as Lobh Mulak 8, Dos Mulak 2 and Moh Mulak 2. It has been summarized in the following verse, Kame te vispakani pui puyani bisati ekadas kriya cheti chatupayas sabbata. Now we are going to discuss Rupavachar chitta. Rupavachar chitta consists of two terms, Rup and Avachara. Here, Rup means Rup Alambanam. Rup Alamban is defined as Rupamati Rupam Alambanam. Here, Avachar refers to the fixing. Therefore, that chit or consciousness which is fixed in Rupa is called as Rupavachar chit. Rupam ti Rupam Alambanam tasmin samadhyeti iti Rupavacharam chittam. However, Rupavachar also refers to that which moves about in the Rup plane, so it is defined as Rupasya bhave Rupam Rupe avacharati iti Rupavacharam. From the standpoint of jhana, Rupavachar is of 5 types, but it can be divided into Kusala chitta 5, Vipak chitta 5 and Kriya chitta 5. Altogether there are 15 kinds of Rupavachar chitta. It may be summarized in the following verse. Panchada jhan bhedena Rupavachar manasam punya pak kriya bheda tam panchasada bhave. Now we are going to discuss Arupavachar chitta. Arupavachar consists of two terms, Arup and Avachara. Arup means formless object and Avachara means getting concentration. So that chit which gets concentration on formless object is called as Arupavachar chit. Arupamti Arupam Alambanam tasmin thite Arupavacharam chittam. Arupavachar chitta is also that chitta which moves about in the Arupa plane. Arupe avacharati iti Arupavacharam. Arupavachar plane has altogether 12 types of consciousness. Kusala chitta 4, Vipak chitta 4, Kriya chitta 4. Altogether there are 12 types of Arupavachar chitta. It may be summarized in this following verse. Alamban pavadhedena chatudha arupamanasam punya pak kriya bheda puna dvasadha thitam. Now we are going to discuss Lokuttar chitta. Lokuttar chitta consists of two terms, Lok and Uttara. Lok means repeated existence and Uttar means beyond or that which transcends. Lujjati palujjati loko uttarati ti uttaram. Thus, it is the supramundane consciousness that enables one to transcend this world. It is defined as uttinnam ti uttaram, lokoto uttaram ti lokottaram. It is also called as apachaygami dhamma because it eliminates the impressions of the moral and immoral deeds already accumulated. Lokuttar chitta has altogether 8 types of consciousness divided into below. Kusala chitta 4, Vipak chitta 4. Altogether there are 8 types of Lokuttar chitta. This may be explained by the following verse. Chatudha magpavadhena chatudha kusalam tatha pakam tasya fallatati attha anuttaram matam. It is Here to be noted that the first three classes of consciousness, Kamabhumi, Rupabhumi or Rupabhumi, are called as Lokiyabh. It is to this way consciousness is broadly classified under four divisions according to planes in which it is experienced. With respect to the nature, Chit divides itself into four classes: Akusala, namely Lobh Mulaka Chit 8, Dos Mulaka Chit 2, Moh Mulaka Chit 2. Kusal Kamavachar Chit 8, Rupavachar Chit 5. Altogether there are 21 types of Kusal Chit. Now Arupavachar Chit 4, Lokottar Chit 4, Akusal Vipak 7, Ahetuk Kamavachar Kusal Vipak 8, then Sahetuk Kamavachar Kusal Vipak 8. Altogether there are 36 types of Vipak Chit. Now Rupavachar Vipak 5, Arupavachar Vipak 4, Lokottar Vipak 4. Now, Kriya Ahetuk Chit, there are 3, Kamavachar 8, altogether there are 20 types of Kriya Chit. Then Rupavachar 5, Arupavachar 4, total there are 89 types of consciousness.